Hello everyone, this is Take from bigheadtaco.com and welcome to BHT Studios. I thought I would do, it's going to be my first and maybe my last 2-Minute Tuesday. I know Peter McKinnon has been doing it for a while and other people have been doing it, and I'm usually known for talking too much. And so let's see if within 2 minutes I can give you one idea that you can take with and maybe think about to help improve your photography. So we'll kind of start unofficially the timing now. One of the things I like talking about is not so much about cropping, although cropping can be part of it, is about understanding aspect ratio of what the image looks like in terms of its shape, the frame of the image. So people will know like square to maybe like a 2x3, which is like a standard print from 35mm, or people call full frame. That's kind of the aspect ratio. APS-C and 1-inch sensor also follows that 2x3 aspect ratio. And on TV, it's 16:9 is typically the shape. Movies are 23 or 21:9 aspect ratio. So before you start shooting an image, figure out what platform you're going to decide to share it on, and then based on that platform, you should either shoot in that aspect ratio or think about how you're going to crop to that aspect ratio before you post. So for instance, on Instagram, you can go as wide as you want, but you don't really utilize the space. On Instagram, I find that portrait pictures that kind of go vertical do better, and that's a 5:4 aspect ratio going this way. Now I personally like the look of a 2:3 aspect ratio in portrait mode. So you'll see on Instagram, often what I'll do is I'll crop the sides in to give me a 2:3, but it fits within a 5:4 window that Instagram gives you. And so when I shoot portrait, I realize that's what it's for. It's for Instagram. And then for my articles, often for YouTube, if I shoot like a thumbnail, it's in 16:9. So when I shoot that image for the thumbnail, I have to think 16:9. If I'm doing a magazine cover, same thing, 5:4, 4:3. And if I'm shooting articles, pictures for articles, either on my own website or for FujiLove, which often I write for, then again, I have to decide, which I find that 16:9 works really well because it makes images that I want to feel cinematic, then 16:9 gives that cinematic feel. And I'll give you a link to one of my favorite Instagrammers, Visual Memories, and her name is Jamara, and she's from New York. Gives a really cool moody feel, and a lot of it has to do with her aspect ratio. So that's one tip. I don't know if that's 2 minutes or not, but if it's over or under, let me know if you like these type of videos, and I'll try to do them maybe not every Tuesday, but more often than not. And if people don't like it, then I'll just stick to the longer format. So thanks for watching, and you have yourself a good week, and I have a new video coming out very shortly. So we'll talk to you soon. Happy shooting.